In this video, I want to run through our kinematic equations and teach you when to use each equation. Let's start with our first kinematic equation, which says that xf is equal to xi plus vi delta t plus 1/2 a delta t squared. Now I want you to notice that this equation is missing vf, the object's final velocity. And what that means is you will use this equation when you are not given any information about the object's final velocity. Let's look at our second kinematic equation. This one says that Vf is equal to Vi plus A delta t. This equation is missing delta x, so you would use it when the question does not include any information about the object's change in position. Moving on to our third kinematic equation, this one says that Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2A delta x. This equation is missing delta t. So you would use this equation when the question does not give you any information about the time that the object is in motion. The last kinematic equation says that delta x is equal to Vi plus Vf divided by 2 times delta t. Notice that this equation is missing the a variable, so you would use it when you don't know any information about the object's acceleration. So these are the four main kinematic equations, and you would use these when your object is accelerating. So if the object is speeding up or slowing down, you know you can use your kinematic equations. Let's do a quick example. Here we have a stopped car which accelerates at a rate of 5 meters per second squared. And we want to know what is the car's velocity after 15 seconds. Let's write what was given. We know the initial velocity is 0 meters per second, the acceleration is 5 meters per second squared, and delta t is 15 seconds. We also know we're solving for Vf, the object's final velocity. And I hope you can see that we're missing delta x. Since we're missing delta x, we should use the Vf is equal to Vi plus A delta t kinematic equation. All we need to do is plug in our values, and we find that the final velocity is 75 meters per second. If you want more practice with your kinematic equations, check out my channel. I've posted many other videos teaching you how to solve kinematic questions using your kinematic equations.